Okay, so now I will give some lab access labs also. I'm doing from that. Okay, this is my administrator account. This labs in the sponsored by Scalable, so Microsoft through. So I'm going to start right now. Okay, so first we have to do, you can go to like as the edge, you can open the edge. We should download the some your GitHub URLs. Okay, so I need to download some labs file. Okay, I'm downloading from that, so give me 1 minute. So it is in the my download file. You can go to this PC. I have download the all the labs files and demo on the resource and everything. You can see my before start lab 1, lab 2, lab 3, 23, 26. Okay, so I think what are the informations here, we can do that. Okay, so let's start. So not that each lab I will separate all the videos, so that would be a great thing. So lab 1 what I'm going to do for the lab 2 I'm what I'm doing that. So same thing task wise also I'm going to explain, so then it would be great thing, you can easily learn. If you have any questions task 1, that you can easily write the questions as well. Okay, so now I'm going to directly I'm logging into the Microsoft. Now I'm going to do for the lab 1. Okay, now I'm going to create the new users test in the applications administrator right now. Okay, I'm this is an exercise. So first thing I'm doing like a lab 1 is a manage user roles. Okay, so there is a exercise 2 also. The exercise 1, first I need to create the user role. Okay, so first I have to log in Entra ID, Entra login. You already know about that, what are the users information stored in the Entra. Okay, earlier it has used as an AD, now it has converted to like Entra. Okay, so you know what is the usernames and everything. The Scalable already given that informations, so you can get it from the under resource page. So you can enter the password. While entering that, okay, so I'll log into the page, just click the normal users process. This is demo account, not that this is a demo, so it's not a real account. If you need to do any real account, you can use your own account. Okay, it asking like authentic cases like MFA needs to enable. So I hope that we should enable the MFA right now. So let me see if we can skip that, so much better. If not, we should add the Microsoft Authenticator account through. Yeah, here we don't have any options to do from that, so let me enable the MFA. So much better. I already have like a Microsoft Authenticator in my mobile, so I'm going to log into the authenticator. Let me hold on, I think much better. Yeah, yes, I'm scanning the QR code, because most security papers they're gonna enable automatically the MFA. See, okay, after use this you can delete from this MFA, much better. So let me still loading on that my mobile, so let me wait. uh, so still loading for me, I don't know why is that. Let's see. Okay, something went wrong, my like a Wi-Fi is changed, that's why. Okay, I'll turn off my Wi-Fi, much better. Yeah, it's network issue. Let me see, it's already added or not. Maybe it's added. I changed my Wi-Fi, that's a things. Okay, I'll back to my QR. Again, I'm going to scan, because some reasons it's not scanned, QR code is not scanned. So let me wait few minutes. Okay, now it's added. So let me go to this. Okay, when you edit the it's appearing your mobile phone like a code. So once it's click yes, it's verifying the your if your phone iPhone or something is face ID is verifying on the security. Okay, so now it's added the MFA. Now we should go to the user's account. We need to create some user's profile. Okay, this is successfully done. Note that if you are using your personal or organizer's account, please enable the Microsoft Authenticator or passkey. Mobile option like a chat, like the mobile phone message or phone call, it's not recommendable. Sometimes it won't be wake while adding the phone numbers or something. Okay, so most Microsoft or we are recommending from that you should enable the Microsoft Authenticator. Okay, so now it's Entra IDs appear. So let me I'll go through that. If you want to enable the organization, you can visit Authenticator method. Here you can enable all the Microsoft Authenticator options. You can enable the passkey and Microsoft Authenticator, and if you need to enable like a voice call or SMS, you can should enable, but it's not a non-recommendable because some regions it won't be wake. Okay, so you can enable that secondary option as well, but most Microsoft Authenticator is most good. Okay, so let me do I will go to here. I'll after that I have to come to like a users account. So now I'm going to add a new users from here. I'm create the new users. Here I will give has a user principal name should be Chris G. Yeah, why this is I can't copy this. Let me allow these permissions. Yeah, let me hold on. I'm refresh this page. Let me hold on. I something. Yeah, it's now it's back. So I'll put the full screens much better. Okay, so now I need to add from the user account. Okay, I should type this. That's much better, I think. Krish G. Okay, so this is the domain. If you're using your organization, you can select your organization domain. Okay, it's a mic. Okay, display name is Chris Green. So I'm adding Green. Okay, it's automatically generate the password. So I don't want auto generate the password. How do just I copy the password because I need this one later on. So I'm adding from this notepad. I'll open the notepad. I'm adding the password. Okay, here I nothing to do for that account in enable. Just click review and create account. So I just copy the email ID. I'm keeping with this here. Let me create. Okay, now successfully create the Krish account, Krish G account. So here I'm explaining to one of that as well. Okay, so if you have something, okay, for example, if you have users needs to enable the MFA, you should select this. You can open the player users MFA. You can enable from that here as well. If not, if you some users has used they gonna lost that your mobile or Microsoft Authenticator, you can like a reassign from that MFA again. So do one thing. For example, I will tell that how can I do from this. So it's loading, I think. Maybe let me refresh. Okay, I will show it to you. Okay, while it's open that. Okay, let me I will do the task exercise lab task 2. Okay, I have to log in from the which is I created account through. So I will open the new Incopy tab. I'm typing from that Entra ID again. I have to log in. So I have to log this again. I have to enter because sometimes it will ask you the password, okay, which is we copied. So now it has to change. It's asking to change the password. Okay, I will enter that. I will put. Okay, here I will show some of these things. You can use password generator generators. You can use there is a avast and something. Okay, you can use this, but you can use any. Let me check. Yeah, you can use notionals as well. Always, if you need to use your password, you have to use more than 12 strong. Okay, just I'll copy this. I'll put here because this is a demo account, so I don't want to save it from my end. I don't want that. You can use, if you want to use your own password, you can use that. Don't use your personal information to your password. This is not good things. Okay, so let me use. Okay, now we have enabled this things. I think maybe again it was asking the MFA, maybe. I guess that, yeah, it's going to ask that. So let me enable this one also. So in second task, I'm gonna do from the like login and try the create the new app. Okay, so we're gonna create the new app. So that's why I'm to login this again. I have to add this account as well. So let me scan the QR code. Note that is a Microsoft Entra ID is the most important admin panels and everything, because all the, if you're using like a weak pass and anyone has access that, so they can do whatever they wanted. Okay, so let me, this one is also done, MFA. So okay, now I'm going to click next, done. Now I'm going to the Entra applications, because I need to create the new applications from that. Okay, so let me click. Okay, you can search from the Entra applications, go to the new applications, click new application here. Okay, just I give the small ideas about that. What are the your accounts in the connect with any third party apps, you can check from here. Okay, any like for example, if you are using any like a third party like a LinkedIn, or for example take like a Salesforce or like a Zoho, whatever it's like article tenant or something, text for tenant also, if you integrate with like Microsoft through account, so you can check, you can disable from that. For example, if you don't want to use from that, it's no longer because your account has been disabled, that you can remove from that here. For example, you can, if you want to remove here, you can go to here. Let me show you. Yeah, you can open it. For example, this is not none of the labs. Okay, just I'm showing to you. Just you can delete here. Okay, you can remove your, I think I don't have the permissions. Yeah, this account doesn't have the permissions. Okay, I will show it to you. Okay, so now I'm going to create the new account. So I click create new own applications. Let me, hold on, I'm going to the this one. I think my account have it's not on the administrator account, so that's why I don't have the permissions to create. uh, so this users doesn't have a create the permissions. See, the create on application is unavailable. This is hidden because this users doesn't have a permission.